Today we are going to make fried chicken breast, and the ingredients for which are: firstly, we have to marinate the chicken breast pieces. For that we need quarter cup of white vinegar, quarter teaspoon of garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 teaspoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon white pepper powder, salt to taste. Mix everything nicely. Now add the chicken pieces. Massage the chicken pieces nicely from both the sides and let it rest for about 5 to 6 hours in the refrigerator. Now it's about 5 hours in the refrigerator. A chicken is marinated well. For dry coating of chicken pieces, we'll take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, add in half cup of corn flour, mix it. Take a chicken piece, coat it from both the sides nicely with the flour mixture. Dust the extra flour. Dip it in water. We will coat this again with the flour. Our chicken piece is coated nicely from both the sides. Dust the excess flour and set it aside. Likewise, we will coat the other piece of a chicken. Our chicken pieces are ready. Let us fry them. Heat oil. Gently place the chicken piece in it. Fry it from one side, and after 2 to 3 minutes we will flip it and fry it from the other side. Flip it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We will fry our chicken till it is nice golden in color. Our chicken is fried perfectly from both the sides. Remove it on a kitchen towel. Our fried chicken breasts are ready. Enjoy it with ketchup and a mayonnaise dip. It is nice, crispy outside and tender and juicy from inside. Do give it a try.